good.
All right, boys, this is the squirrel I shot earlier today because I'm the only one that can hit something. And so, how we're gonna do this? Fuck carnage. We got scissors because can't find a knife. So you just grab that back fur right there. Make a cut. Kitchen scissors aren't working very well. Damn. Okay, got a cut there. See that? What you gotta do is just pull it. Pull it back to at least the legs. And then make another cut on its stomach. Okay. And you can pull that all the way up. Dang, it's a little cold, so it's a bit harder. That's the front leg. Oh, jeez. Got that leg out. Then you pull this leg out. It's a lot harder when it's cold.
They shit their pants. Who was that? Oh my. Nate Dogg just absolutely let one loose back there.
Oh yeah. Get that.
Ooh.
There's his claws. Pull it up to his neck. And there's that. We'll cut the head off. Same thing on the back. You just pull his back legs through. As you can see, we're in the garage.
Yeah, we got
Trio Boys headquarters.
currently snowing right now too.
Yep.
It's a winter wonderland.
Some snowing riding videos coming up.
Oh yeah.
And that back leg, that's where all your meat's gonna be. Okay, okay. And you don't have to pull it all the way to the feet, you can cut it off. But how do I cut it? There's that leg. Then you got his balls right here.
Squirrel had a big pair too.
Yep, yeah, let's cut those off. Yep, there's his guts. That's decent. Yeah, shit flying. Okay. There's that tail. Front done. Cut its head off. That's its head. Okay. Make a cut up his belly. Get it? There's guts. Go all the way up. Rip that nasty shit out. Oh.
It stinks real bad.
Oh, it smells like a deer.
That smells so bad. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty either when you're getting into cleaning. As you can see, it's a little bit messy.
You can put that in the block too if you really want to. Ah! That was probably his bladder. That's a dumb. Mark's getting.
Mark's a little.
Yep. That is bold. Maybe we should cut that off. What do you think?
Yeah, I cut it off.
Oh, that is balls. Cut his feet off. God, that's a lot of hair.
Mark couldn't come up with anything today.
Neither could you.
Neither could Nate. No, Sturm got a lucky shot off.
I'm just that fucking good. His horn. The brighter one, they got horns.
Ooh. The
Lots of carnage on this guy.
He's all dirty.
You got his testes.
Oh,
that's his horn.
that's his package.
You know what they say? You gotta eat the balls. Mark, throw them down.
No, it's first.
Oh yeah, first one to kill.
Dude.
Yeah, you gotta eat it.
I ain't eating it.
Eat it. Come on. That's a nice nut.
I'm the filmer.
That's weird. Lick it. At least lick it.
Yeah, lick it. You lick it.
Lick some nuts.
Never will I ever.
That's a clean squirrel. Should be. Lots of carnage on this.
Lots of hair.
Might not have been the. But you want to save the claws, so when you cook them, you got the claws still on it. You want to
cut them off.
Oh,
you want to leave those on. The kitchen scissors doing work. You can save a claw.
I have it down here. Alright, let me video.